ABS-CBN actor-singer Darren Espanto previously bought his dream car worth $19 million, and here's a deeper reason behind the purchase. A luxury car means so much more than just a status symbol. This is more like hitting an exciting and fulfilling point in one's life. It's a dream come true, and for Darren Espanto, more than just making a big boy purchase, there was something deeper in doing this. To recall, Darren bought a Cadillac that comes with a jaw-dropping price tag. His Cadillac Escalade is worth $11 million, and he was able to achieve this top-tier model in his early 20s. The brand new car is in the shade called Black Raven. Apart from him, celebrity Vice Ganda also owns a Cadillac Escalade. According to Espanto, he paid for the car in full, and the sentimental value behind it is that his family had a car from the same brand, and he grew up riding one. However, the old one they owned started to fade with time and underwent a lot of major changes. Kasi medyo hindi na namin siya nagustuhan nung later years. Tapos, ayun po, recently, it started to have a lot of innovations, also sa interior. So that's why I asked my parents if I could buy another one again. So ayun po, nasa Canada siya. For my family and I din naman, he shared. On top of this, it is also a representation of how far he has come from a 10-year-old contisero competing in singing contests to now one of the most recognized artists in the Philippines. The singer shared that he still seeks his parents' advice before making big decisions, such as making purchases. According to the Rorik Cadillac site, here's the price list back then. Cadillac Escalade price. 2020 Cadillac Escalade, base, minus $75,195 MSRP, approximately $3,865,060.60. 2020 Cadillac Escalade Luxury minus $80,795 MSRP, approximately $4,152,903.40. 2020 Cadillac Escalade Premium Luxury minus $85,195 MSRP, approximately $4,379,065.60. 2020 Cadillac Escalade Platinum minus $92,295 MSRP, approximately $4,744,009.15. What can you say about this? Let us know in the comments.